Have you ever felt a subtle discomfort? An itch you couldn't quite place? Or perhaps just a general unease down there, but dismissed it as just getting older? It's a surprisingly common experience among men, especially as we mature. Yet it's something few of us feel comfortable discussing openly. We often soldier on, assuming these little annoyances are just a part of life, or perhaps too embarrassing to bring up, even with our doctors. But what if I told you that many of these nagging issues, from persistent odors to unexplained irritation, and even more serious concerns, could stem from one incredibly simple, daily mistake you might be making right in your own shower? It's a secret that could dramatically improve your comfort, confidence, and long-term health below the belt. Yet it's overlooked by countless men every single day. In this video, we're going to dive deep into this pivotal shower habit and explore several other simple, actionable changes you can make that will prevent discomfort, reduce the risk of infection, and ensure your intimate health is robust for years to come. These aren't complicated medical procedures or expensive solutions. They are straightforward adjustments to your routine that can yield remarkable results. So, lean in close, because what you learn today could change how you feel every single day. Watch to the end for something that will truly surprise you, something that goes beyond just hygiene and touches on your overall well-being. Let's begin with that primary, often overlooked shower mistake, the one that can be the root cause of so many uncomfortable issues for men as they age. This particular oversight is especially critical for those who are uncircumcised, though its principles apply to everyone. I'm talking about neglecting the proper, thorough cleaning of the area beneath the foreskin. Now, I know this might feel a little awkward to discuss, but trust me, understanding this is fundamental to your health and comfort. Over time, naturally occurring skin cells, oils, and moisture can accumulate under the foreskin, forming a substance called smegma. If not regularly and gently washed away, smegma can become a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi. This isn't just about hygiene. It's about preventing inflammation, infections, and a persistent, unpleasant odor that can undermine your confidence and even your intimate relationships. Imagine a tiny, hidden pocket where warmth and moisture combine with accumulated debris, creating the perfect environment for problems to fester unnoticed. It's like forgetting to clean out the lint trap in your dryer. Eventually, it becomes a fire hazard. For your body, it becomes an irritation hazard. Or worse, the daily buildup might start subtle, a slight stickiness, a faint smell, but over weeks and months, it can escalate into true discomfort, itching, redness, and even painful inflammation of the glands and foreskin, a condition known as balanitis. Many men experience this and simply put up with it, perhaps thinking it's a fungal infection that won't go away, when in reality, the simple act of proper cleaning could solve it. The technique is straightforward, yet it's often either rushed or completely missed. When you're in the shower, simply and gently retract the foreskin fully, exposing the glands. Use warm water, not hot, and a mild, unfragranced soap. You don't need anything abrasive or overly strong. In fact, harsh soaps can strip away natural protective oils and irritate the sensitive skin, making matters worse. With a gentle touch, carefully wash away any smegma or residue. Think of it as a delicate cleansing, not a scrubbing. Once clean, rinse thoroughly to ensure no soap residue is left behind, as this can also be an irritant. Then, and this is crucial, gently dry the area before carefully returning the foreskin to its natural position. Leaving the area damp creates another invitation for bacteria and fungi to thrive. This entire process takes mere seconds, perhaps a minute at most, but its impact on preventing discomfort, odors, and potential infections is immense. It's not about being obsessive. It's about mindful, consistent self-care. Neglecting this simple step can lead to chronic irritation, and in some cases, can make the foreskin stiff and difficult to retract. a condition called phimosis, which might eventually require medical intervention. Many men avoid fully retracting their foreskin during cleaning either out of habit, lack of knowledge, or a slight discomfort they've come to associate with it. But a gentle, regular approach will make it easier over time. Think of this as preventative maintenance for a vital part of your body. It's about taking control of your comfort and health, rather than letting these preventable issues silently fester. It's not just about hygiene. It's about preserving sensitivity, preventing pain, and maintaining a healthy, confident outlook on your body as you age. This isn't just advice. It's a foundational pillar of intimate self-care that far too many men simply aren't aware of, or perhaps aren't implementing correctly. Now that we've discussed the absolute cornerstone of intimate hygiene in the shower, let's move on to other common mistakes that can quietly undermine your comfort and health. Beyond the specific act of cleaning beneath the foreskin, there are other seemingly small daily shower habits that can have a surprisingly large impact on your intimate health and comfort. Let's talk about the type of soap you're using. Many men simply grab whatever bar soap or body wash is handy, often one with a strong, artificial fragrance or harsh chemical ingredients. While these might smell nice on your chest or arms, the delicate skin of your intimate areas is far more sensitive and vulnerable. Using harsh soaps, antibacterial washes, or highly perfumed products down there can strip away the natural protective oils and disrupt the delicate pH balance of the skin. This isn't just about feeling a bit dry. It can lead to dryness, itching, redness, irritation, and even micro tears in the skin, making you more susceptible to infections. It's like using industrial cleaner on fine china. It might get it clean, but it will damage the surface. Instead, opt for a mild, unscented, pH-balanced cleanser specifically designed for sensitive skin, or even just plain warm water for your most intimate parts. If you must use soap, apply a tiny amount, lather gently with your hands, and rinse thoroughly. Think of it as giving this sensitive area the gentle respect it deserves, rather than subjecting it to a chemical assault. Another common mistake is not drying properly after showering. We're often in a rush, a quick towel off, and then we're dressed. But moisture, especially in warm, dark areas like the groin, is an open invitation for fungal infections like jock itch, that persistent itchiness, redness, and flaking that many men experience can often be attributed to lingering dampness. After you've cleansed, take an extra moment to gently pat the entire groin area completely dry with a soft, clean towel. Don't rub vigorously, just pat. Make sure there's no lingering moisture in the folds of the skin, around the base of the scrotum, or between your legs. If you have a little extra time, you can even air dry for a minute or two before dressing, especially on warmer days. This simple step can make an enormous difference in preventing that annoying, itchy rash that can make even sitting uncomfortable. Consider wearing loose-fitting, breathable underwear, like cotton, to help with air circulation throughout the day, further preventing moisture buildup. Synthetic materials often trap heat and moisture, exacerbating the problem. And while we're on the topic of moisture, let's address showering frequency. Some men believe that more showering means more cleanliness, leading to multiple showers a day or extended periods under hot water. Conversely, others might be too infrequent, thinking a quick rinse is enough. Both extremes can be problematic. Overwashing, especially with hot water and harsh soaps, can dry out the skin, remove beneficial bacteria, and lead to irritation. Underwashing, as we've discussed, allows for buildup and potential infections. The goal is balance. A daily shower with warm water and gentle cleansing is usually sufficient for most men. Focus on the areas that truly need cleansing, like the intimate areas, armpits, and feet, rather than scrubbing your entire body with soap from head to toe every single time. And while we're in the shower, let's not forget the broader groin area. This includes the perineum, the area between the genitals and the anus, and the inner thighs. These are areas prone to sweating, chafing, and skin folds where bacteria can easily accumulate. A quick splash of water or a casual wipe isn't enough. Incorporate these areas into your gentle, daily wash routine, ensuring they are also rinsed thoroughly and dried completely. Often, unpleasant body odor that seems to linger despite showering can be traced back to neglected areas like these. Making these small, conscious adjustments to your shower routine, from your choice of soap to your drying technique and overall attentiveness to the entire groin area, can elevate your comfort and confidence significantly. These aren't just about feeling clean in the moment. They are about proactively protecting your skin's natural barrier, preventing irritation, and setting the stage for long-term intimate health. Next, we'll dive into what all these practices mean for your overall well-being and when to know if it's time to seek a bit of extra help. We've covered some incredibly important, yet often overlooked, aspects of daily shower hygiene for men, especially as we get older. We started by tackling that most crucial and frequently missed step of properly cleaning beneath the foreskin for uncircumcised men, highlighting how vital it is for preventing smegma buildup, irritation, and even painful infections like balanitis. Then, we moved on to the surprising impact of your soap choice, emphasizing the need for mild, unscented, pH-balanced cleansers to protect delicate skin and avoid dryness or irritation. We also discussed the critical importance of thoroughly drying your entire groin area after showering to ward off stubborn fungal infections like jock itch, a common source of discomfort. And finally, we touched on striking the right balance with showering frequency, ensuring you're not overwashing and stripping your skin, nor underwashing and allowing problems to fester. These aren't grand medical interventions or complex health regimens. They are simple, mindful tweaks to your daily shower routine, yet their collective power to enhance your comfort, confidence, and long-term intimate health is truly profound. Imagine moving through your day without that nagging itch, that faint odor, or that persistent irritation. Imagine feeling genuinely fresh and clean. Not just immediately after your shower, but hours later. This level of comfort translates directly into improved self-esteem and a greater sense of well-being. It allows you to focus on the things that truly matter in your life, rather than being distracted by preventable discomfort. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, not just to your physical health, but to your overall happiness and peace of mind. Taking these few extra moments for self-care in the shower is an investment in yourself, an acknowledgement that all parts of your body deserve attention and respect. It's about preventing problems before they start, rather than reactively trying to treat them once they've become painful or embarrassing. Now, here's that surprising bit I promised you at the beginning. Beyond the physical comfort, consistent, mindful self-care in your intimate areas can actually boost your general confidence and even your mood. When you know you've taken care of yourself completely, from head to toe, it creates a subtle, yet powerful, sense of well-being that permeates everything you do. It's not just about what others might notice. It's about how you feel about yourself. This dedicated attention to an often neglected area can lead to a deeper connection with your body and a more positive self-image, which in turn can reduce anxiety and enhance overall quality of life. Furthermore, by being attentive to these areas daily, you become more attuned to any subtle changes that might occur. A new rash, an unusual discharge, persistent pain, or a lump that wasn't there before. Recognizing these early signs is crucial. While our focus here has been on preventable hygiene mistakes, sometimes symptoms indicate something more serious that requires professional medical attention. Don't ever hesitate or feel embarrassed to discuss any concerns with your doctor. They've seen and heard it all, and their priority is your health. Early detection and treatment for any condition are always best. So, take these simple steps, make them a consistent part of your routine, and enjoy the profound difference they can make. You deserve to feel comfortable, confident, and healthy at every age. We're a community here, and your experiences matter. If you found these tips helpful, or if you have any thoughts or questions about maintaining intimate health as we age, please share them in the comments below. Your insights could help someone else who's feeling unsure or alone. And if you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more men who could benefit from this important information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical advice and inspiring content designed to help you live your best life at every age. Take care of yourself, stay well, and live your best life at every age.